Mr. Prince, I am trying to sew. You are definitely interfering with my sewing. You're just purring away, disturbing my stitching. I'm working on a pillow for my sister, and you are definitely intervening in the sewing process. Okay, I'm glad that you understand. No. No, do not unthread the needle. No, do not pull that lever down. No, don't get stuck by a pin. I appreciate your enthusiasm, but sir, I do not need your assistance. I don't need it. I need you to find something else to occupy yourself. Can't you go catch a bug? Why do you gotta be in the middle of mama sewing? You're just purring away, happy as can be. But I need to get back to this. You are being bad, Kitty. Yes, you are being bad, Kitty. No, do not use the scissors. Leave the scissors alone. Mr. Prince. Like Cartman says, back, Kitty. Back, Kitty. It's back, Kitty. Are you going to let Mama get back to the project? There's a lot of work left to be done. Look, I'm using football fabric for a special present for Lori. And she's going to definitely see your cat hair all over it. No. Put the needle in the down position so you don't get your hand, or your paw rather, stabbed with a needle. Now listen, I need to get back to my project, okay? Now, Dad, you can't lay your head there and take a snooze. Now you're rubbing your nose. Are you scratching your nose on the lever? You are too funny, Mr. Prince. Too funny. Now, Mommy's going to have to chase you off. No, we're not going to have a little fight. You need to go now. You need to go so I can get back to the project. You are interfering with the task at hand. You need to go do something else. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I'm telling you to go, but you need to go get in timeout. You need to go get in timeout. Yes, you do, sir. You need to get in timeout. Go get in timeout and let me do my sewing. Right now. Timeout. Timeout, Mr. Prince. Sir, it's time for timeout. No fighting. We're not going to fight. No, sir. No fighting. No. Okay, it's time for you to move that kitty booty over. Move that kitty booty. Let Miss Angel get back to sewing. Please? Please? No. Okay, Mommy's going to have to push you this way. Let's go this way. Honey. Okay, why don't you lay over there? There we go. No, there. Okay, pick a spot and like chill. Please. I'm asking you kindly. No, we are not going to fight. No. Let's try again. You need to lay down over here. Come on, come on. Lay over here. There we go. There we go. Time for you to take a chill pill. Lay there and get some rest. Okay. I love you. Okay, you stay right there. Thank you, sir. Thank you.